My name is Anand. I am employed in ASHOK Leyland, India. I am working as the regional head for ASEAN countries, basically in Southeast Asia. Okay, I am working for almost 7 years now in ASHOK Leyland. Previously, I had 5 years of experience working in the automobile component industry, basically associated with Russia and the CIS markets. So my objective is to introduce to Thailand the ASHOK Leyland range of passenger vehicles in the first place, because we understand that the passenger transportation in Thailand is being focused for uplift and more comfort and needs more sophisticated products. So we from ASHOK Leyland believe that we can provide some of the basic products for solving the transportation problem in Thailand. So this would be the CNG range of buses, and also buses with diesel engines with more sophisticated features for comfortable passenger transportation, like the air suspension, the parabolic springs, and air conditioning in the bus, all these features. So we would be soon addressing the market with some of our products for the passenger transport in the first place. Then we will address the goods transport at the second stage.